Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add applications to the Shift AI browser to access them directly through this browser. So let us dive into this. Launch the Shift AI browser on your laptop or desktop computer. And as you can see, I added, for instance, Slack to this browser. You can add any other that is supported here, any other application that is supported by Shift AI browser. There are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you click into that plus button at the bottom of that left sidebar and select Add App, or you click into this button in the top right. It's going to lead you to the same directory, Add App, click into it. Next, choose your category here to the left. I will go, for example, I don't know, you can go with ChatGPT, for instance, and then enter your account name here. You may also assign a color. Use a custom URL if you'd like, for example, would like to get redirected to a specific conversation within your ChatGPT account. Click into Add App here. I'm going to skip all of that, and then ChatGPT will be added as an available application here, or accessible, so that you can switch between your apps here. Log into your account. If you're already logged in with your ChatGPT account, for example, via Google, you will be automatically signed in. And as said earlier, guys, if you added the custom URL to that application directory here, you will be navigated to the given conversation, for example, under the given URL. And you can do the same by clicking into this button in the bottom. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.